do you know if your website is hacked or being hacked? All right, now let's back it up a little bit to why should you even care if your website's being hacked? Because Google hates hacked websites. Because Google hates hacked websites. It is not a good user experience when someone lands on a hacked website, so Google is going to avoid them at all costs. What that really means to you is you aren't going to show up in Google searches. Now that we know why we care that we're being hacked, let's find out how to find out if we're being hacked. Now I'm going to use Google Search Console to show you some red flags on what a hack might look like. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified each time I post a new video about search engine optimization. Now, part of my online SEO training is setting up Google Search Console. Organic search doesn't have to cost a lot of money, and I make sure my clients take advantage of every free Google platform there is. Now, once you are inside Google Search Console, head on over to the Performance tab. This is going to show you the queries and the landing pages of people who are searching for your website. How do you know if you're being hacked? If any of these pages aren't actually pages on your website, you better start doing some research as to why. My first phone call is always to WP Engine. They manage all of our stuff. Now, let's say you missed that first hack when you're looking at performance. Now you can head on down to links. This is also going to give you some very valuable information. Once you are inside of links, take a look at your top linked pages. Now, you don't have to be a web developer or a computer scientist to see that there's a change in a pattern. Now, once you click on any of those pages inside of top linked pages, it's going to show you all the pages that link back to you. Now, these should all be pages you recognize. If you don't recognize some of them, start researching immediately. Again, my first phone call, WP Engine. Now you see how simple it can be to catch any website hacks, which will definitely affect your searchability. All that SEO work, website hacked, nothing works. My online SEO training shows you the steps to getting verified on Google Search Console. Not to mention 7 other Google platforms that I also get you hooked up with. Sound like something you might be interested in? Check out the show notes below. I've put a link for more information. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Better yet, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified each time I post a new video about search engine optimization. Adios, everyone.